let's talk about what the opposition is planning as well. The opposition parties have insisted that the Prime Minister should respond on the matter as well as on the US President Donald Trump's claim that he brokered peace between India and Pakistan. They also demanded a discussion on the ongoing special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar. So the opposition has gone on to say that there are issues that we want to discuss. Ahead of the all-party meeting, the opposition leaders had also met for a virtual meeting. And in this meeting, the opposition has already lined out what its agenda is going to be. There are a few issues that the opposition says that there should be discussion on. So let's revisit what India Bloc's floor strategy for the monsoon session is going to be. Top of the agenda is, of course, going to be the Pahalgam terror attack. This is going to be the first parliament session that is taking place after the Pahalgam terror attack. So remember, the opposition has been saying that there should be accountability, there should be answers from the government on what actually happened. So not just Pahalgam attack, but also the Operation Sindoor that followed. The opposition is going to question the government on the same. Apart from that, another issue that the opposition has been speaking of, and this becomes important ahead of the elections in Bihar, it is the Bihar poll revision, the roll revision that's taking place by the poll panel. Now, the Congress party has said that this is a vote bandi by the government, going on to say that there will be disenfranchisement of many voters across Bihar, and that's going to affect the election. So this is one charge that the opposition has made. They have raised the issue time and again, and now that the parliament is convening, no doubt the opposition that issue yet again. Apart from that, very recently, and we've seen multiple times, the US President Donald Trump making that claim about playing a role for the ceasefire between the two nations. In fact, he's made a mention of trade as well, saying trade was used to ensure peace between the two nations. The government has already issued a clarification on that front, but the opposition says that yet again, the Prime Minister should speak on the issue.
सदन के द्वारा देश को संबोधित करने का अवसर हमें मिलेगा और सरकार से अहम सवालों का जवाब सुनने को मिलेगा और इसीलिए हमारी ये मांग है कि ऐसे कुछ विशेष विषय इस सदन में, इस सत्र में उठाए जाएंगे जिसके कारण इस बार हमारी पहले से ज़्यादा उम्मीद है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी सदन के अंदर, सदन के द्वारा देश को संबोधित करेंगे.
If there is a consensus, we would certainly like to discuss many things in the parliament, and if the government agrees, we are there to discuss in parliament only. So there are important issues like Pahalgam issues, then the tariff thing which Trump has been saying. Also the intensive electoral review which is happening in Bihar. All these are very important issues, and if the government is willing to discuss in parliament, we are happy to discuss. But it's important that the Prime Minister comes out clean. He makes a statement about Pahalgam, he makes a statement about important issues, and that is how the parliament will run. Without building consensus is really not possible, and it's the responsibility of the government to ensure that the parliament functions. And so these are the key issues. If the parliament agrees, then definitely we will love to have a discussion in the parliament.
We demanded Prime Minister to come to the House and make a statement. After that, we have to detailed discussion for that Operation Sindoor, Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor.